Alright, it's the weekend. Time for some truck and welder maintenance. Alright, let's go ahead and take out these bolts and take off these leads. Slap that 2-ton crane on there and get ready to pull it out. Here we are. Let's take this drain plug out of the welder. Got the oil filter out. Let's put that drain plug back in. Crank on that thing. Let's get us a fresh filter. Put some oil on that seal. And get it in. Let's hurry and throw the date on there, and we'll get filling it up. Go ahead and check it. Looks perfect. All right, let's blow off this motor. It's extremely dirty right now. Go ahead, give it a start. Now we've just got to wash off where it goes on the truck. Looking good. Set it back down in there. Let's put those bolts on. We've got the top and the side door back on. Now let's change the oil on the truck. Let's get that drain out. There we go. Filter off. Made a pretty big mess. In with the new one. Plug back in. Top off our washer fluid. Get that case of oil opened up. Don't forget to blow that filter out. Let's top off that oil. And we are good to go. How about that view?